This is a detailed step-by-step walkthrough of script number 3. For clarity, here's the focus process. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Step 1. Open your Chase mobile app. Step 2. Tap, pay and transfer, then send money with Zelle. Step 3. If you're new, enroll by verifying your US mobile number or email. Step 4. To send, tap, send. Choose a contact or enter a verified email, mobile. Step 5. Enter the dollar amount and an optional note. Step 6. Select the Chase account to send from. Step 7. Review and tap, send. The money moves directly between accounts in minutes. My crucial pro tip: confirm the recipient is enrolled before sending a large amount. For your first time sending to someone, or for a large sum, send a $1 test payment first. Confirm they received it instantly. This verifies their enrollment and ensures you have the right contact info before sending the full amount. Master the simple steps to send money safely and instantly. Have you ever had a hiccup using Zelle? How did you resolve it? For more step-by-step financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.